So I am unboxing my giveaway from voodoobarbiedoll, and I just got started, but I peeked and it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I have a Glam Glow Dream Duo. It says it's an overnight transforming treatment. Let's see what's inside. Oh man, sorry. Here's my scissors. Alright. Ooh, blue, sexy. Ooh. So it's a two-part system. I will definitely do a video or photo shoot or something on this. Let's see what else. Got some instructions in there. This box. Hello. It even has a mirror inside that says express your selfie. A Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette. It's got a cute little like transparency thing going on there. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is a brow pencil by The Balm, Ferocious, sorry. Eyelashes. I love eyelashes. I'm not very good at putting them on yet, and I don't have any currently, so this is going to be really awesome for my next videos. So beautiful. This is a eye crayon, or lip crayon, I guess it could be both, by Ben Nye. Beautiful. What is this? Comic Crush eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Let's open this. All right. I'm so excited. Very cute packaging. Wow. Oh, it's one of those, shoot, I forgot what they're called. That moves. Oh no. So I had a little oopsie in travel, but it's still there. We're gonna make it work, girl. Beautiful. I don't want to dump it, but very, very beautiful colors. Very beautiful. Wow. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Lippies. So there are a few in here. These liquid matte Huda Beauties. I'm trying to find the shades on here so I can tell you. Oh, okay, here we go. Bombshell, Trendsetter, Icon. I'll show you the sides. Very pretty. What we got here? Oh, more little lippies, little nudes. And Girlfriend, Trendsetter, Sugar Mama, and Bikini Babe. Another brow pencil by The Balm. These are tweezers, eyelash tweezers from Unicorn Cosmetics. What else do we have here? Another little lippy. Ben Nye Eye Crayon Silver. Another one in black and lipstick. These are some Glam Glow samples. Let's see what we got. I have a Gravity Mud firming treatment. Says, oh, this is a Sonic version of it too, and this is Youth Mud exfoliating treatment. And it looks like there's something else in here. There's a brush cleaning mat, very cool, by Sigma. And also by Sigma, another eyeshadow palette. Let's see. It's called Warm Neutrals Volume 2. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Girl, gonna go in on this palette. Check that out. So beautiful. She did write me a really sweet letter as well. And I just can't get over this box, how gorgeous it is too. That's my giveaway box, and I'm really excited to try everything out and make some videos to show you guys, because I really needed some new makeup, honestly, just to show you guys some new things, and I'm just so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sydney. You are the greatest. Thank you. Mwah. Bye, guys.